am very inspired at the moment to paint the sea and the ocean. I am actually going to get out my acrylics because I feel quite like I want the layers to dry and I want to do lots of layers on top of each other. So acrylics are great for that because you can wait for the layers to dry and then add a new one on. And I also want to give a go the gel that I bought recently, which is the structure gel. I showed you guys this in an art haul, which I'll link here if you've not seen it. So I'm going to give this a go and let's do some painting. But first, let's tidy.
Trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar and a cheat too.
Here's a little tip for you guys. If you want to get a more, what's the word? Impressionistic look with big bold brush strokes, and you want to like loosen up, they're the words, loosen up. If you want to loosen up your painting, I've got a little tip for you guys. Let me just grab some paint. So this is going to be for the clouds. So normally like a lot of people hold a paintbrush like this and sort of like be very careful about where they're doing it, which definitely has its place and I use a lot. But if you're at like the beginning stages and you want to create a lot of movement, hold it like this instead. So by the end, this is why they have long handles, and this is a technique used in oil painting a lot, but it works in acrylic as well. So hold it down at the bottom, stand an arm's length away from your painting, and you can sort of just attack it. And it helps you like see the painting from far away, but it also just gives a really nice effect here, you can see. So as opposed to like the very straight lines, gives a nice, you know, what's the word, energetic effect, like it's moving, like the clouds are moving. So there's a little tip for y'all. How beautiful is this palette though? So pretty. I feel like it's good to have a bit of a regroup once you've been painting a while, just to step back and have a look at it. And I do like the direction it's going in. I feel like it's too blue and too green. So I think what I'm going to do is add in some more neutral colours. So I'm going to tone down that blue with some orange, add some more greyed out colours so that the blues will pop in a smaller amount. Because it's just a little bit too blue. And I've just looked out the window and the clouds look really awesome. So maybe I should use them as inspiration. Which means that I have to carry on painting even though I just wanted a little break. But the clouds might not be good in 5 minutes. I don't know. I'll show you guys the clouds. So basically I think I'm going to carry on with it, but maybe I'm going to sit down. I haven't got the energy that I used to. So I think I'm done for today. I've changed the clouds a little bit and I've dulled the colours down. So let me know what you guys think. I feel like it's very peaceful and that's the vibe I was going for. So that's it for today. I'm going to now tidy up the mess I've made. I just found my structure jar. I didn't even use it.